Now we continue our discussion with Scott at AudioQuest about power conditioning, this time talking about the power cable that connects you to the wall. So Scott, the next step really in this process, now that we've got the most solid connection in the wall that we can get, the power cable itself I know makes a huge difference. So let's just talk a little bit about cables and why they make such a big difference in your system.
Sure. If you think about every single product that you buy comes with a black cord in the box.
Yes, it does.
The manufacturer does not make that. They buy it in bulk, and it meets a requirement of being safe and allowing the product they manufactured to operate. What we do is have an engineered product. So if you think about anything from a Sonos Connect or your modem or a network switch or any other electric device you may have, putting a real engineered power cord onto the system will go ahead and just improve its performance and really get the most out of what that electronic component can do. So very simply, where we start with our NRG Series, this is an $80 power cord. It has this is called a C5 end on it. And this would go into, let's say, a Sonos Connect or any type of, let's say a modem might have this type of end on it. This simply will go ahead and raise your performance right out of the gate. Easiest thing to go ahead and from there, in the NRG Series, we move up to our Z3. This is adding more shielding, zero technology. And then we keep going, raising up. And you can see as these start to get fatter and fatter, we're changing the gauge, we're changing the dielectric, and all of the shielding against RF and noise. Even further, we move up into our Monsoon and then into our Blizzard. These are all pretty economical considering what electronics cost, and just reveals the potential of what your system can do.
And when you say engineered, a lot of it is also the geometry with which the wire is put together. It's not just a matter of heavier gauges as you move up. One of my favorite stories about power cables is that a friend of mine who worked at an audio store and a couple of the other guys who worked there all brought home one weekend a bunch of different tweaks they could do to their system. And they were shocked that at the end of it, they all agreed an upgraded power cable made a bigger sonic difference than anything. And you referenced price point a little while ago. Some of the upgrades you can do to your system cost a lot of money. That $7,000 pair of speakers might sound quite a bit better than the $4,500 pair of speakers. But this sort of thing is relatively modest money and can make a big difference.
Sure. With the cords, if you think about your television, if you're spending $3,000, $5,000, $7,000 on a display, this cord at around $150 will just make such an incredible difference to that television. And it's good money spent. I'll tell you, the one thing that is really most, I think, revealing about any of the AudioQuest products is having someone who has had a system for a time. If you get a brand new setup and you put all your AudioQuest gear in there, it's gonna be fantastic. You're gonna be really happy. But it's all those people that have had a legacy system, you've had it for a long time, replace your cords, and you will think that you got yourself all new gear. It's really remarkable.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for all of our upcoming highlights. You can learn more about these great products at Gramophone.com and shop Sky by Gramophone for a secure checkout with fast and free shipping straight to your door. Visit our showrooms at Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland, and our amazing Experience Center in Timonium. Please visit our Kitchen and Design Center in Hunt Valley, too. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.